the Gateway Broadcasting Corporation. At the end of our presentation, I am Damaris Linaga.
I am Dina Isoma Marilyn.
Stay tuned for the news bulletin. Gateway Bilingual Nigerian Primary School Bonaberi today celebrates her 9th graduation batch under the theme Quality Education from Emerging Cameroon from 2035.
Bonjour mesdames, mesdemoiselles, messieurs. Bienvenue sur Gateway Bilingual News. Les titres. Crise anglophone. Le Premier ministre Joseph Dione Ngouté dans les régions du Nord-Ouest et du Sud-Ouest.
Cameroonian last created May celebrated the 47th edition of the Living Together under the theme Unity in Diversity, a major asset of the Cameroonian people in their determined move towards emergence.
Société. Le personnel de l'hôpital à Quintini en grève.
Cameroon made it to the Total African Cup of Nations qualification table and is in Group F, despite all odds. Ladies and gentlemen, those were the headlines and now the news in detail. Gateway Bilingual Nursery and Primary School Bonaberi today celebrates her 9th graduation batch under the theme Quality Education from Emerging Cameroon come 2045. Details of this story with Jimmy Dasan.
It is becoming a yearly academy. The CEO of Douala, the mayor of Douala, not forgetting the SEO of Mo, who is no one else than Mr. Wolwa Monano. And guys,
I am Absalom Wolwa Monano. My daughter, who is the presenter of your news, I'm so proud of her. I'm proud of all the people in Gateway Nursery Primary School. That's why we can leave our very demanding assignment to be with our kids this day. Thank you very much.
what do you have to say about this year's graduation ceremony?
I want to congratulate the proprietors of this institution for putting a very wonderful team of teachers, intelligent, talented, who have transformed the minds of our children into very veritable brains. Congratulations, and I'm enjoying this wonderful graduation ceremony this day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Stay here and come back to you guys.
Le Premier ministre Joseph Dione Ngouté dans les régions du Nord-Ouest et du Sud-Ouest à la rencontre des populations dans le cadre de la recherche de la paix. Notre correspondant dans les régions du Nozo est Popenda Ange Marty.
Le gouvernement camerounais n'est pas resté sourd aux multiples appels au dialogue sollicités par la communauté nationale et internationale. Ainsi, le Premier ministre Joseph Dione Ngouté s'est rendu dans les deux régions en proie à des violences depuis 3 ans pour prendre le pouls et fixer les bases d'un dialogue inclusif. Il faut l'avouer, le Premier ministre a été bien accueilli et les populations ont manifesté une fois leur volonté et leur amour pour la paix. Dans la foulée, le Premier ministre a bel et bien rencontré les dignitaires traditionnels et religieux, les leaders d'opposition à l'instar du chairman du SDF, Nidjan Fundi et les membres de la société civile. Bamenda, Gateway News et Popenda Marty.
Cameroonian last 20th May celebrated the 47th edition of the Living Together under the theme Unity in Diversity, a major asset of the Cameroonian people in their determined move towards emergence. John Ross Madiba Ayuk is in Broya and he compiled the following reports.
Cameroonians within Cameroon and those of the diaspora last 20th May celebrated a national day under the theme Unity in Diversity, a major asset of the Cameroonian people in their determined move toward emergence. It's an annual occasion which brings Cameroonians together from their different divisions, regions and their political capitals. Yaoundé. This day reminds them of the referendum of 20th May 1972, when the United Republic of Cameroon was changed to the Republic of Cameroon. This year's celebration was received with mixed feelings, since some Cameroonians wish for things to come back to normal. In the northwest and the southwest regions of Cameroon, the socio-political crisis has led to many being displaced. Speaking to some Cameroonians of Cameroon in the southwest region, they said the celebration was good and the Prime Minister's visit was timely. They are expecting a lot of changes after this 20th May celebration. However, the 20th May celebration passed hit-free in all the 10 regions of Cameroon. Reporting from the mountainside of Fako, I am John Ross Madiba Ayok, aka JR.
Société. Le personnel de l'hôpital à Kintini en grève, la mort de l'ancien directeur du cabinet civil, les nouvelles de Gateway Info, le développement avec Monique, notre envoyé spécial sur les lieux.
Le non-paiement des primes et des quotes-parts du mois d'avril fait grincer les dents sur le personnel médico-sanitaire de l'hôpital La Kintini de Douala. Il s'est déroulé le samedi 18 mai à l'école bilingue Gateway, une journée porte ouverte aux couleurs particulières. Dans son propos, le responsable a invité les parents à investir leurs enfants dans les projets pratiques. S'en sont suivis les défilés des différents clubs et l'exposition des savoir-faire. Il faut l'avouer, ce fut une grande première dans l'univers primaire au Cameroun. Le rendez-vous a été donné pendant les vacances pour la suite des apprentissages. Une page sombre pour clore mon tour d'horizon. La mort de l'ancien directeur du cabinet civil Martin et Boukou Belinga le 2 mai 2019 à Paris. Et Penda Monique, Gateway News Info.
Cameroon made it to the Total African Cup of Nations qualification table and is in Group F despite all odds. Our foreign correspondent Njema Irene is in Cairo, Egypt and has the following details. Hello Njema.
Hello Damaris. It is a common word used in Cameroon. Man eating and man eating. In plain English, what is yours is yours. It is in this proverb that Cameroon today is in the Total African Cup of Nations, hosted by Egypt instead of Cameroon. It should be noted that the hosting right was taken away from Cameroon in early November 2019 to be given to Egypt. However, Cameroon today is found in Group F alongside Ghana, Benin and Guinea-Bissau. On the spotlight, we also saw new teams like Madagascar, Mauritania and Ghana.
Thank you Irene for that beautiful report. Here is a communique from the head teacher's office. Registration for the academic year 2019-2020 is currently going on. Both old and new parents are reminded to secure their places latest August 15, 2019. Holiday classes will also commence July 2019. For more information, contact the school administrator, Mr. Esibe Ferdinand. And on the third page, the Sonora company in Limbe last night was on fire. We will be giving you the details of this story in a subsequent newscast.
Comme connaissance des parents et de la communauté éducative qu'il est organisé à l'école Gateway du 1er juin au 10 août. Les vacances spéciales
To the Celebrate Timeline graduation batch under the theme Quality Education for an Emerging Cameroon come 2035.
Le Premier ministre Joseph Dion Ngouté Sport. La finale de la Champions League, c'est samedi à 21h.
It says that you cannot take a giant step with a giant's leg. But before we leave, our reporters were Zimi Gassam from from Gateway.
Et Popenda Ange Martine de Bamenda.
And Gemma Irene from Cairo, Egypt.
Et pour Monique de Gateway.
And John Ross Madiba from Boya.
Et Nanou Fankam de Madrid.
The news was edited by Mr. Fai and
Mr. Fada.
at the end of her presentation, I remain Limo.
Dina et son mama Rini.
Stay tuned to the Gateway Broadcasting